Hi students, in today's lecture I will explain you how to create the rolling calendar rolling calendar which is update on regular basis. So for this you go to the get data like this and press the blank query. Select the blank query like this. After select the blank query, you have to write the formula for the start point. Formula is basically a date formula, simple formula which is I have selected that for 1st March 2023, just like this. It's 1st March 2023. You may select any date here for as per your requirement. When you press enter, you will get the 1st March 2023 as of today. Today is 29th March 2023. After that, for creating the rolling calendar, after that when I get this date, I got the source data here, source file here, which is I will put in my formula. For typing the formula, I have select the another step and press the FX like this. As I type the formula here for saving the time, so you may still my video and pause my video and get this formula for your ease. Select this data and like paste this data like this and then press enter. So here I will get the rolling calendar from you see from 1st March 2003 till today, which is 29th March. You need to select any start point with the reference for with today date. Which the advantage of this rolling calendar is that this is update on regular basis, on automatic basis. Now I'm going to explain the some tips of for formula. So for formula like this, list date means this formula create a list like this from the source data. Source data is this, which is the start point, and from a number from is the function for date and time, and for date and time, and then local now. Local now is the simple function which we are using in Excel also, but differently in Power BI. After that, you type like this. You have to create the differences from the start point and the end till the end point. You put the minus sign here, and again you will type the number dot from and source for and type the source data. And after that, you have to write this function here, which is day, hour, minute, and time. So this is quite interesting lecture and very useful for database and dashboard management. So any query, please ask. Feel free to contact me and subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you very much.